And this Christmas song for our Christmas extravaganza, you know how we do it right here at UKElikethepros. We're going to cut loose a little bit. This is an easier song. Got a couple tough chords, all right? But just a fun song, not a whole lot of lyrics, which is nice, so we can cut loose and have a little fun in this bluesy style song. This one is Santa Claus is Coming to Town. All right, welcome to UKElikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and I don't know if you saw this yet. I'll talk about that in a second. But anyway, I'm glad that you're here. You know we give away a ukulele every single month right here on the channel. We got to click below, okay? A couple of things. Click below, go sign up, and also subscribe to the channel, and you're automatically entered in that giveaway. But we are in the midst of the Christmas extravaganza. We're giving away 8 different ukuleles for this. You got to go sign up. Matter of fact, just become a VIP, okay? We're going to put those links for you. The VIPs are going to access to all the music here, the sheet music, the lyrics, the chords, the rhythms, everything you need to know, including the backing tracks as well, and also private access to some of the Zoom calls that we're going to be having. So become a VIP for this Christmas extravaganza, or just become a platinum member, ukelikethepros.com. We'll put a link to that below. That way, you get all my courses, you get all the Q&As, and you get all the VIP access to these events here. We are giving away 8 ukuleles for this extravaganza. That's right, 8 ukuleles. One being from Koloha, which, did you notice, this is my brand new black label ukulele. This one is called Lightning. All right, this is my personal one that I got, so thanks to all the family at Koloha, which, by the way, signed it. Now, I don't even have a pickup yet in this one, but I am going to put a pickup. I know you're like, oh my gosh, you can't do that. Well, I use pickups, so I'm using a couple different mics, but I just could not resist using it because I just got it. So anyway, my Koloha, store.ukelikethepros.com for all your ukulele needs. All right. Let's get back to this song in a second, but again, this extravaganza, we got Koloha and Kanalea, Romero's Creations, Kala, Ohana, Enya, Flight, and Cordoba all have participated in this. It's going to be giveaways. It's going to be live stuff. It's going to be these videos as well, these play-alongs, sing-alongs as well. So make sure you get involved for this extravaganza. We'll put that link below. I know it's a lot of links. But anyway, I do appreciate you being here. This one is Santa Claus is Coming to Town. It's going to be kind of cool and bluesy. Not a whole lot of lyrics, which is nice. Something I can remember. I don't even have to have any lyric sheets out on this one. But a couple chords that are going to challenge you, but also very cool. So let me show you. All right, let me show you exactly what we're going to do here. All right, that's just a little sample of what we're going to do here for this song. It's going to have a little intro, okay? It's going to be a measure of C, and then 2 beats of F to G7. And we're going to do that 2 times. So it's actually just a 4-bar intro. The stroke pattern, I'm going to show you a real basic one, and then I do some variations while I play this. And you'll hear it in the backing track. But for now, we're just going to do down, down, up, down, down, up. It may seem easy, but once you lock into the rhythm, it's going to be cool. And then it's going to go F. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And actually, yeah, we're going to do that instead of down, up, down, up. And that's going to happen a lot in this song. So it's going to 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2. Matter of fact, that's the main rhythm I want to do for this whole song. Okay, so let's do this intro with me, really just to kind of lock into the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, and... You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout on town. All right, so now we're going to hit the verse. For you singers out there, if you're a singer, drop a comment below. Say, yeah, heck yeah, I'm a singer. All right, you is right there. That's a G note, okay, because we're on the key of C here. You better watch out. So the verse here, okay, the first half of the verse is going to be C, down, down, up, 2 beats, to C7, down, down, up, to F, 2 beats, down, up, to F minor. And that's where we're going to use that down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the half of the verse. Okay, so if we do it slowly, 3, 4, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And it happens again. All right, now the next part of the song is Santa Claus is coming to town. we decided to jazz it up a little bit. Matter of fact, Pear contacted me, was like, there's more chords in this version than a lot of other versions. I'm like, yeah, but I like it. It's kind of a little jazzy, but because we're in a key of C, it's not overly too complicated. All right, so then this little turnaround is just C, 1 chord to this minor 6 chord, A minor, D minor, to G7. And that's that same rhythm. Okay, do it once with me. 3, and Santa Claus is coming to town. All right, now we're going to go back to the next part of the verse here, another A bar. So he's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's going to find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Now, all right, now the second part here, just going to stay on a C chord one time. 4, and the next part is C, 1, 2, and then on beats 3, go to this C7 chord because that's going to transition you to the bridge part. Okay, so that's just the second half right before the bridge, which again is just one time of this. Santa Claus is coming to town. Now C. All right, and again, the rhythm, if you loosen it up a little bit and you have some variety, it's totally fine. All right, he sees you when you're sleeping. All right, so just G minor, sees you, down, down, up, C7, F, down, down, up, and then for the D minor, all right, do it again, D, da, D, D, D. Now check this out. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. All right, very, very cool. Now it's gonna go to A minor, D7, G, and now for the G sharp diminished chord, 7, G sharp diminished 7 chord, and then A minor, D7, and then G7. And I'll change that rhythm up on that G7 because it's going to lead you back to the verse again. Okay, so very, very cool chords here. Okay, A minor, D7, G sharp diminished 7. A minor, D7, and G. Now we're going to go right back to the verse, which is like A, B. That was the B section. Now we're going to go back to the verse, it's A section. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. All right, now we're going to repeat the whole thing. We're going to have a sax solo for the first A, so A section again, then A again, then B, and then this part again, which is A, right? It's an A section, A, B, A. But we're just going to add a tag. Okay, we're just going to add a tag with the same chord. Santa Claus is coming. Again, Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming to town. 2, 3, and... How cool is that? All right, so you're just going to tag the end, which is very common in songs, especially kind of jazzy songs like this. And then the last chord is going to be a C, 2 and 3 and 4, and then the little ending here is B flat chord. You're going to go down, up, 1 and 2 on the B chord, and then on the upstroke is a C chord. And you might see I kind of do my little middle finger. Little hammer on with my middle finger just to kind of make it sound cool. All right, and that's it. And then we're out. So that's it. Santa Claus is coming to town. AABA form. Then we're going to repeat again with that sax solo, go through it, and then we tag it at the end with a little outro. So are you ready? The backing track is killer. Are you ready? Come on now. Let's bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming now who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming. Oh yeah. Santa Claus is coming. Come on now. Santa Claus is coming to town. How did you do on that one? Leave that comment below. By the way, how good does my Black Label Koloha sound? So anyway, 1 to 5 below on that score. 5 meaning you crushed it. You jam with the backing track. You're singing, you're locking into the rhythm, all that kind of stuff. So great job. I want to see your video over at the ULTP Pros forum. Okay, we'll put a link so you can go post your videos over there. So absolutely fantastic. What a fun song. Right, very kind of bluesy, just a great song, kind of a fun song. Not too many lyrics, not too many lyrics as well. And we had a killer sax solo in there as well. So, all right, so don't forget, we're giving away a bunch of ukuleles for the VIP challenge for this Christmas extravaganza. We'll put a link below. Go sign up, be a part of this, and join in the fun that we're having for this this Christmas season here. And don't forget, we give away ukulele every single month right here at ULTP Pros. You know what I'm talking about. All right, so great job. Keep working, have some fun, and happy holidays to you.